guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we get to test the SG out on the Hughes & Kettner TubeMeister 18-watt tube amp and see what it sounds like. So as per the other videos, my amp settings are the same. Clean channel, gain at 12, master at 3, dirty channel, gain at 12, master at 12, bass, middle, and treble are all at 12 o'clock. And this particular SG has coil split or coil tapping. Turns them into single coils. Anyways, let's start with a clean channel and see what we come up with here. Back a bit too. We're going to leave everything dimed. Okay, both pickups. Off into single coil, starting at the bridge. Let's hit that dirty channel. This is going to get a little obnoxious. Humbuckers have a lot higher output than single coils. Alright, let's put on that gain booster. Lead Alright guys, that concludes the SG. Now, I know some of you guys are probably like, why doesn't he just play regular songs? Copyright infringement issues, okay? I don't want to get into that sort of thing with YouTube. So I just bang around on chords, give you some little bits here and there, and some sounds of different chords, what they're like. Gives you an idea what the amp sounds like. And I'm recording all these videos just live up. I'm using a JVC camcorder with its own built-in stereo mic, so there's no processing, none of that kind of trickery. So there's nothing, going through my PA board or anything like that. Just raw, straight out. You get the acoustics of the room, everything. So this way you get the truest possible reproduction of sound out of this setup. So anyways, that's it for this video. Stay tuned. We do have more for you because, hey, I do own a few guitars, Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.